Welcome to CTWWTAA, Coffee Talk, where we talk about acronyms. All right, let's talk about DSPM. DSPM stands for Data Security Posture Management. So, what is Data Security Posture Management? Think of it like the security system for your cloud data. It constantly scans, classifies, and monitors everything to find risks before they become a problem. And BigID, we don't just watch your data, we understand it. Our DSPM solution finds sensitive data, it analyzes risk, and helps you lock it down automatically. Because let's be honest, nobody has time to track data across the cloud. Take one of our customers, a massive communications company. They needed to meet strict security and compliance standards like CMMC and ITAR. With BigID's DSPM, they got full visibility into CUI and ITAR regulated data. They automated discovery and classification across cloud and on-prem. They got risk detection before data was exposed, and they streamlined audits and policy enforcement. Long story short, they went from scrambling to confidently securing their data before anything slipped through the cracks. So here's the question. Do you really know where your sensitive cloud data is and if it's secure? Or are you just hoping for the best without a DSPM solution to manage your risk? Let's do it right. Let's do it with BigID. And that's been CTWWTAA, Coffee Talk, where we talk about acronyms.